What's up guys, it's Anthony, and in today's video we are going to be doing headlights and the marker lights with some black housings and just some clean ones because my headlight housings are disgusting. They've got so many miles on them and stuff like that, and versus trying to clean them and stuff like that, I just decided to go ahead and buy some new ones, and hopefully these take some miles off the truck and make it look a little bit better, give it a facelift, and kind of make it look not like a grandpa truck. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I got. All right, and that's what we got. That's what we're going to be putting in to my truck, and this is currently what it looks like. So I think that that's going to be a very good upgrade and updated look for my 1994 Ford Ranger. I'm going to bring you guys along for this build slash how-to on how to change your lights. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing it looks like we're going to have to do is pull these like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 screws out of the top of this. And I believe the grill just kind of lifts up out of here. And then I do know that there's these little clips. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3 right here. And then I believe this bolt, and there's another one down there. I believe that's what holds the marker light in. So this should be pretty self-explanatory. So we'll find out, and I'll update you guys along the way.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control. Oh,
it does just lift right on out. There you guys have it. A couple of screws, pretty easy. So that little clip was down in there. We have those 2 to get to, and then I think this will come out. I don't know if I needed to remove this or not. I don't quite know how it comes off, and I really don't want to break it, so we'll just see what happens. Okay, so update. Once you get the clips off in there, you just kind of wiggle this until it kind of breaks loose, and then it looks like you have to actually take this out first, which I believe is just those 2 bolts, and then unclip that, because this doesn't come out far enough because it's kind of rubbed up on that, and I really don't want to break any of this, so let's go ahead and try that. Alright, so we got it all out. That just slid out after I got the corner one out. Once you took, there was a bolt right here. I used a 7/16, and then it just slides out. It pops out of this, and then you just turn this, and it comes off. Somebody broke the clip off of this, so I guess that it's the old man that had this truck before me. Yeah. So let's go ahead and kind of figure out putting the other stuff in. This little thing is supposed to come off the bottom of this one. It just chills down here, and so you got to transfer this over onto the new one, and you have to spin these little dials down, these little adjusters. You got to move them up and match them up to get your other headlights pretty close. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So it's been quite a bit of a struggle to get to this point, not gonna lie, but that is old versus new. I think it looks really good. I don't know how that's gonna look, so we'll kind of check that out. But this thing, it's like the little clip is actually too big to fit in here. So I really have to like pry it in there. And then this side, I'm struggling to get it pushed in far enough to actually put the little clips back on it. So I gotta see how that goes. So, but there you guys have it. That is the black housings for headlights, marker lights. I got these and the tail lights, which I did another video on the tail lights, but I got those off of Amazon for about $120 shipped, and I think it makes this truck look 10 times better, not so grandpa-y, and it will just look so much nicer. And this is the first step to a couple of projects ahead. Next is going to be camber. Need to fix the camber because my tire wear is absolutely horrible from having the leveling kit. And if you know anything about the TTB front ends, it's just kind of a necessary thing when you lift them or do leveling kits. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. Hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully you guys watched the other video and let me know what I could do to improve. I need to get some more filming equipment to help me, and it would have been nice to have somebody help me film for the front of these, but I think it looks pretty good. I think I'm going to order some LED lights for the bottom and splice into my fog lights just to kind of match the updated look of everything else. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Has been Anthony, and I'm going to talk to you guys later.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig